morning to everyone, and ngayong araw na ito, ay gabi pala, sorry. Joy, belated happy birthday. Thank you kasi hindi tayo masyadong close pero naging kaibigan kita. You're my president at ako yung vice mo. Pero masasabi ko na minsan hindi tayo nagkakasundo. Joy, wish ko sa'yo ngayong birthday mo is lahat ng gusto mo sa buhay, matupad mo. Lahat ng inaasa mo, lahat ng gusto mong abutin, maaabot mo. Yes, you need to pray to God, yun lang. And then, stay healthy physically, spiritually, emotionally. At yung balak mo sanang ikwento nung debut ko, ako na magpapatuloy. No, walang name drop, sorry. Okay, may ano tayo, may kasunduan. Ayan. May kasunduan tayo na ipaglalapit kita sa isang tao, pero ipaglalapit mo rin ako sa isang tao.
Wow! Oh my God!
Joy, alam mo, gumawa ko ng paraan para masabi ko yung feelings mo sa tao na yon.
Wow, my name!
Pero ako, wala kang sinabi. Oh my gosh! Alam mo, ang sakit nun, pero okay lang. Hindi, okay lang. Tanggap ko na. Basta, magpakasaya ka lang ngayong birthday mong to. Kasi, nung birthday ko, masaya din ako kahit wala siya. Ay! Yun lang yung wish ko sa'yo. No, ikaw.
Thank you so much, Miss Laika Balagat. Our next po is Miss Sheila May Dilia.
Happy 18th birthday, Preeti. Today marks a significant milestone in your life, Baby Joy. As you celebrate your 18th birthday, I am filled with a mix of emotions, happiness, and excitement for the future. We've shared the countless memories, laughter, and adventures over the past 3 years, and I'm honored to have been a part of your journey. As you enter this new chapter of your life, I want you to know that I'll be here for you every step of the way. I'll be your biggest cheerleader. I'll celebrate your triumphs, support you through challenges, and remind you of your strength when you forget. Here's to many more adventures, laughter-filled moments, and memories to cherish. May your 18th birthday be just the beginning of an incredible journey filled with love, happiness, and fulfillment. I love you, Baby Joy. Happy 18th birthday again.
Okay, thank you so much. Palakpakan naman po natin. Our next is Mr. Wency Shera. Mr. nga ba?
Mister. Ko di man natita.
Oh my God, talaga.
May your day filled with love, laughter, and all your favorite things.
It's confirmed. Thank you so much, Wency. Okay, last but not the least is Miss Jeneline Regalario. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much po. And may we call on again our